Hey there, welcome back to TechGem, the channel where we explore the latest tech trends and provide you with useful tips and tricks. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Whether you're taking a break or just want to step away from social media for a while, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. Before we get started, keep in mind that deactivating your Instagram account is different from deleting it. Deactivating your account temporarily hides your profile, photos, and comments from other users, but you can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back in. Deleting your account, on the other hand, permanently removes all your data. But that said, let's proceed with the deactivation process. Step 1. Open Instagram app. First things first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to ensure a smooth experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Once the app is open, enter your Instagram credentials, including your username and password, to log into your account. Step 3. Go to your profile. After logging in, you land on the home screen. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Step 4. Access settings. Now that you're on your profile, you need to access the settings. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines to open the Instagram menu. Step 5. Navigate to settings. In the Instagram menu, scroll down until you find the settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. Follow my steps. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated the deactivation process. Instagram will now temporarily disable your account and you'll no longer appear on the platform. Keep in mind that your account can be reactivated anytime by simply logging back in. And there you have it. You've learned how to deactivate your Instagram account step by step. Remember, this process is reversible, so take your time away from social media and come back whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechGem for more tech-related content. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.